The cult of the Toyota 4x4, how a truck became a religion. Somewhere between the dust of the Australian outback and the chaos of Nairobi traffic, there's always a Toyota 4x4 still running when everything else has given up. It's not glamorous. It doesn't scream luxury. But it will drag you out of hell and back, probably twice, on half a tank of diesel and sheer stubbornness. The Toyota 4x4 isn't just a vehicle, it's a global myth that smells like oil, dirt, and absolute dependability. If you want to understand why people speak about Toyota 4X4S in almost spiritual tones, you've got to forget the polished marketing jargon and think about survival. In places where GPS signals fade, mechanics are miles away, and the road is a suggestion rather than a rule, the Toyota Hilux, Land Cruiser, and Prado aren't just cars. They're lifelines. The Toyota 4x4 cult started decades ago. During the 1960s and 70s, when automakers were obsessed with chrome and curves, Toyota quietly built something boxy, ugly, and immortal. The Land Cruiser 40 series, a slab of metal with a heartbeat, was simple enough to fix with a wrench and a prayer. It wasn't designed for Instagram aesthetics. It was designed for people who needed to cross deserts, jungles, and war zones without dying halfway. The Land Cruiser earned a reputation for being the last vehicle standing when the world ended, and that reputation stuck. Today, you'll find these trucks everywhere, hauling livestock in South America, patrolling UN missions in the Middle East, ferrying gear up Himalayan roads, and sitting shiny in suburban driveways where they'll never see a puddle deeper than a latte spill. That's the irony, the Toyota 4x4, born for mud and mayhem, has become a status symbol for people who've never seen a dirt road. Still, even the most polished Land Cruiser at a California Whole Foods carries the DNA of a tank. Toyota engineers have built their legacy on a philosophy of Kaizen, continuous improvement. Every bolt, every seal, every component has been tested in conditions that would make a lesser vehicle weep transmission fluid. This relentless refinement has made Toyota 4X4S boringly reliable, a trait that, ironically, makes them legendary. But let's not pretend it's all perfect. There's a reason environmentalists side-eye the big V8 Land Cruisers. They're heavy, thirsty, and expensive. The global shift toward EVs and hybrids has made Toyota's conservative approach look almost stubborn. The company's slow roll into electric 4X4S feels out of step with an era that worships zero emissions and instant torque. Yet, there's something almost punk about Toyota's refusal to ditch the diesel. It's a defiant middle finger to planned obsolescence, an assertion that, yes, machines can still be built to last longer than your smartphone. Drive a Toyota 4x4, and you get it immed.